In this video, we're going to start the last section of the accounting cycle, and we're going to look at steps 8 and 9 of the accounting cycle. So at this point, we have done analyzing transactions, recording transactions to the general journal, posting transactions to the general ledger, and creating an unadjusted trial balance. Then we did adjusting entries, and then we did an adjusted trial balance. And now we're doing we did financial statements. So this, from steps 1 through 7, that's the key components of the accounting cycle. These 7 steps are really the goal. The goal is to produce financial statements. So once you have those financial statements, you present those financial statements to the world, right? And we have done that. We've gone through all of these. The adjusted trial balance are the final numbers, and we have the financial statements. But then we have steps 8 and 9. Well, what are these steps? Well, you see this is a circle. So steps 8 and 9, the whole point of steps 8 and 9 is to prepare your accounting records for the new year. So you wouldn't do steps 8 or 9 every month. You will do steps 1 through 7 on a monthly basis in some cases, and definitely on a quarterly basis. But steps 8 through 9 are on an annual basis, or depending on how the yearly cycle or operating cycle for the company. So steps 8 through 9 are closing entries and a post-closing trial balance, and then you repeat steps 1 again and go through the entire cycle. So we're going to do closing entries, which is the process of closing the books, and then we're going to create a post-closing trial balance, or a trial balance that takes place after the closing entries are completed. All right, so that's the whole point of this section. We're going to do closing entries and then a post-closing trial balance, and then you repeat from steps 1 and you do the whole thing again.